Hello, trading is closed on April 16, 2020. We'll go over our calls. Look for the pattern with the early high. This is it. So the commonest thing was a cap and a prompt move outside yesterday's range. That's what we had. Tomorrow we have the pattern with the early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up first. And here's what we said. Most common gap, prompt move outside today's range. During the day, MEJT said this rally was false. There's your F. Said prices would retrace to this range, and they did. Here it gave a buy signal and an ultimate buy signal. This drop was called false, and that's already played out. Mark's stuff says we should rally 600 points over this line. That conflicts with the wave count I'm using, which says we aren't going to go over 28.55.84. Now we've gone over that price in futures, but that doesn't count. So it's really a question of who's going to be right. I'm still viewing this as a bear market rally. Moves of this magnitude are characteristic of bear markets, not of bulls, but that doesn't mean this is the right count, and that doesn't mean we can't go higher. This price here is a target pretty much of the prior consolidation, so it's a logical place for the move to end, but it's not the only place, and futures are already trading over it. Now, futures don't count, but if we can't keep that gain in futures, something funny's going on. Friday's pattern has the early low. It could still gap up. We gapped up over yesterday's high, hit a higher high, could hold on to either one at the close. Today's pattern nearly always closes near its high. Failure to do so is all negative, but tomorrow's open can substitute for today's close. So gapping up over today's high tomorrow is all the bulls have to do. And with futures up this much, that shouldn't be too hard. The market's going to continue higher. Market's up very sharply on news reports of a drug being effective against COVID-19. If we're going to go higher from here, there's no reason we can't hold it. If we don't, or at least surpass it promptly, it should lead to lower prices. It doesn't have to lead to a lower close, but it's pretty hard for me to see how that wouldn't be the end of the road if we can't hold a gain like this one. And what makes me suspicious is the drug in question has been in the news many times before. I don't think this news is really all that new. Right now, futures are up smartly. That's all we have to do to continue higher. And all we have to do is hold it. And then all we have to do is hold it. And if we do, it's just hard to say we're going to drop from here. But if we can't hold on to that, it's big trouble. And what's really going to be interesting is if we overlap this 28.55 and change, that would invalidate this count. Would probably turn this into an ABC. So all we need to do for tomorrow is to hold on to the huge gain overnight. But if we don't, I think it's look out below, and that's today's call.